up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, it's another episode of experimenting with colors. I know I've been away for a minute. Sorry, work has been kind of crazy, so I finally was able to kind of sit down and film and, you know, create all this loveliness using the both Take Me Back to Brazil palettes from BH Cosmetics. Here's the inside of the original Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's absolutely beautiful. And then here is the inside of the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition. See all those lovely shimmers. So if you want to see how I created this look, I'm gonna call this this is the unicorn look because I use a lot of unicorn colors. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. But before we get into anything, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos, and then twinkle your way on over and hit that like button, letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. Alright, so we're doing another episode of experimenting with colors, and so I'm gonna be using both of the Take Me Back to Brazil palettes. So you have the original Take Me Back to Brazil, and then you have the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition. So I'm gonna go in with this one first, and let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and start my transition. Alright, so now I'm going to take my other brush. It's another BH brush. That first brush was a BH brush. I'm going to go into, I'm going to go into this purple right here and deepen up my crease. Go back into that first color and kind of blend out these edges a little bit. Okay, kind of edit some of this as I go. Okay, I'm going to take that same purple and go underneath. You know, do what I do on the outer portion. Okay. And kind of edit some of this. Camera, put some primer on my lid, be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Rio Edition. This is the all shimmer version. As you can see. So I'm going to go into this into this shade right here and put this in the outer portion of my top lid. I'm gonna go into next. I think I'll go into this shade right here and put this in the middle. So next I'm going to go into this shade right here and put this in the inner portion of my lid. Okay, so those two colors were really similar, so I'm going to take, this shade right here, see if I can brighten up this inner corner color. Kind of transform it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take my trusty Morphe E36 brush. I'm going to spray it. I'm going to go into this shade right here and put that in the bottom inner portion of my lid. I'm going to go into this shade right here and put this as my inner corner highlight. Alright, so I'm gonna go off camera, finish all this up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the final look that I created using both Take Me to Brazil palettes. So I'm so far I will say some of the mattes in here are a little bit difficult to work with, especially the purple and blue that I used today. They were a little bit temperamental, but I did what I could do to make them work. The shimmers in this are really, really nice. So if you want like a nice just shimmer palette with a bunch of colors, this palette is great. This one is good. It's just like some of the mattes in here are a little temperamental. Like I'll show you the inside. So like here is the original Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Yeah, I use this purple and this blue as both this was my transition, and I used this color in my crease and on my outer portion. those colors were a little temperamental. Now, I've used this side of the palette, and the shadows on this side of the palette are really, really nice. It's just like that matte and that matte are a little temperamental. But, and here's the inside of the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition. All of these are shimmers. All of these are nice. So, if you like this look, comment down below if you are interested in these palettes. Obviously, you can go on bhcosmetics.com and get them. So go ahead, hit those up. And if you enjoyed this video, like I said, comment down below. And until next time, guys, deuces.